New and used RV sales are at a record high. If you don't get an inspection, you may end up paying for things twice. This is Howard with the NRVIA, and this is what to expect when inspecting. What's that funky thing that we call delamination? As I drive the highways and byways of our country and I see RVs passing me, I sit there and I notice ripples in the walls, ripples in the rear of an RV, ripples in the front. What is that all about? It's called delamination, and this can become a serious problem. And it's an indication of something that's occurring somewhere else, and it's typically coming from that roof. And it could be possibly some sealant issues. But over time, these walls are vacuum bonded, they're glued, exterior fiberglass is applied over many layers of different things to form that wall. And over time, as that continues to delaminate, this can become a serious and possibly structural issue. So if you're unsure, you're unable to identify these things, seek out an NRVIA inspector. Let them come and evaluate that for you so that we can find out what the possible problem is so that we can save you some bucks down the road. If you'd like to find a certified NRVIA inspector, you can go to nrvia.org and locate one there. Thinking about becoming a certified RV inspector? Click on the link below to download the latest copy of our ebook and learn what it takes to become a certified NRVIA RV inspector.